In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp images not showing in your gallery. Many users face this problem when they receive photos on WhatsApp. The images do not appear in the phone's gallery, making it difficult to find and view them. Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can follow to solve this problem. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Storage and Data. Now you'll see a section called Media Auto Download, and there are three different options. When using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, when roaming. First, tap when using mobile data, and then put a checkmark next to Photos. Tap OK. Then tap when connected to Wi-Fi. Put a checkmark next to the photos. Tap OK. Finally, tap when roaming. Put a checkmark next to the photos. Tap OK. Now, whenever someone sends you images on WhatsApp, they will be automatically downloaded to your phone. Once you've done that, go back to the main settings page and then tap Chats. Then turn on media visibility by toggling this switch. Once you turn it on, any new images that you download from chats will automatically show up in your device's gallery. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.